Namaste student. Myself J.V. Nanshika Kushwaha, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology. My subject is microbial technology and today's session is principle behind enzyme immobilization. So first of all we will discuss what is enzyme immobilization. So here we starting. So, as an introduction, as enzyme are biological catalysts that promotes the rate of reaction but are not themselves consumed in the reaction. They may be used repeatedly for as long as they remain active. However, in the most of the processes, enzymes are mixed in a solution with substrate and cannot be economically recovered after the reaction and are generally wasted. So, what is enzyme immobilization? Enzyme immobilization may be defined as the process of confining the enzyme molecules to a solid support over which a substrate is passed and converted to products. The process whereby the movement of enzymes, cells, organelles, etc. in a space is completely or severely restricted, usually resulting in water insoluble form of enzyme. So, what is an immobilized enzyme? An immobilized enzyme is one whose movement in space have been restricted either completely or small limited region. So, what are the need for immobilization? It protection from degradation and deactivation, and in the retention of enzyme-free products, in the recycling and repetitive use, and in it is cost efficiency and in the enhanced stability used as controlled release agent and the ability to stop the reaction repeatedly by removing the enzyme from the reaction solution and allow development of multi-enzyme reaction system. So what are the features of enzyme immobilization? So the enzyme phase is called as carrier phase, which is water insoluble but a hydrophilic porous polymeric matrix. Example is agarose, cellulose, etc. The enzyme phase may be in the form of fine particulate, membranous or microcapsule. The enzyme in turn may be bound to another enzyme via cross-linking. A special module is produced employing immobilization techniques through which fluid can pass easily, transforming substrate into product. So what are the advantages of enzyme immobilization? Multiple or repetitive use of a single batch of enzyme, and immobilized enzyme are usually more stable. It is the ability to stop reaction repeatedly by removing the enzyme from the reaction solution. In the product is contaminated with the enzyme. Easy separation of enzyme from the product allow development of multi-enzyme reaction system. What are the disadvantages of enzyme embolization? It gives rise to an additional bearing on cost. It invariably affects the stability and activity of enzymes. The technique may not prove to be any advantage when one substrate is found to be insoluble. So what are the methods for enzyme emulation? So there are three methods: carrier binding, cross-linking, and entrapment. In carrier binding, there are physical adsorption, ionic bonding, covalent bonding. And in entrapment, there is lattice type and microcapsule type. So this is all about the enzyme immobilization. If you have any kind of query, you can write down in comment section. Thank you, students.